We're out here on the Tranquil River in Tlokia territory, and decades ago when this watershed was logged, all the large wood was removed to protect infrastructure like bridges and logging roads. But large wood is a really important feature of a river as it helps hold the soils and banks together while also creating pools, eddies, and habitat for juvenile and spawning salmon. The lack of wood here combined with all the clear-cut banks created all sorts of erosion, changing the river from a narrow, deep, cool river with all sorts of fish habitat into a wide, shallow one without much habitat. So we've been collecting salvage logs for a few years, and then a couple weeks ago we flew a bunch of bundles of those logs out here and dropped them at the various points along the river. Check it out. So today, we're working with some heavy machinery to build a big bioengineered wood structure right along this straight, shallow run river that's got all sorts of erosioning happening on the bank here. And this structure is going to accomplish a few things. First of all, it's going to help stabilize this riverbank to prevent further erosion, giving this alder-dominated stand here the ability to mature into one dominated by cedars and spruce, which is going to hold the soil together better, filtering and controlling water runoff into the river to protect habitat. It's then going to create an obstacle, constricting flow, causing an increase in water velocity that helps move gravel and scour out of a deep pool. And it's also going to break up this extended shallow riffle here to create eddies, cover, and complexity that's going to give juvenile salmon a place to hang out, feed, and pack on the pounds, or for adults it's going to provide a safe holding pool where they can safely rest on their journey upstream. The gravel that it sorts and spits on the downstream end will create more spawning habitat so that we can ultimately have more healthy, robust salmon populations well into the future.